Welcome everyone. In previous video we have learned how to solve simple equation by using transposition. Okay, in transposition we just change the position of terms and coefficients. Okay, so today we are going to solve exercise 4.3. Okay, so first question is solve the following equation by transposition method. Okay, it's a very simple method, guys. First example is 3x plus. Okay, so our first problem is 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. So we have to solve this by transposition. Okay, so how we are going to solve this? First write the equation as it is. 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so now we transpose this 5 from LHS to RHS and 2x from RHS to LHS. So we get 3x. But remember one thing, whenever we transpose any term, so when it's plus, it changes its sign. So here 2x is plus, when they come to this side they become minus 2x. Okay, similarly 1 as it is, and when this 5 changes their position from LHS to RHS, they become minus. Okay, understood? So 3x minus 2x, so x is common, we can subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, so is 1x is equal to minus 4. So we get 1x means x is equal to 4x minus 4x. Okay, this is how we are going to solve our problems by using transposition. Okay, x and x and this number and number. Okay, let's see second example. Second example is, it's a quite big one. 3 in the bracket 5 minus x minus 2 in bracket 5 plus x is equal to 3 in bracket x plus 1. Okay, so just solve this bracket. How we are going to solve this bracket? First we multiply this bracket, each term of bracket by 3. So 3 into 5, then 3 into x. Let's see, 3 into 5 plus minus minus 3 into x, 2 minus into plus minus 2 into 5 minus into plus minus 2 into x, and here we get 3 plus into plus plus 3 into x plus into plus plus 3 into 1. Okay, 3 5s are 15 and 3 into x is 3x. 2 5s are 10 and 2 into x is 2x is equal to 3x plus 3. Before transposition we solve this side. Okay, so put x and x near, so we get minus 3x minus 2x, and numbers are near. Okay, 15 minus 10 is equal to 3x plus 3. Okay, so both the signs of x are minus same, so when there is same sign we add the numbers and give common sign. Common sign is minus. 3 plus 2 is 5x. Okay, here 15 minus 10 is 5 is equal to 3x plus 3. Okay, now we can transpose we can transpose these minus x to this side and when अब देखो हमने ये -5x को इस साइड को भेजा है तो इस नंबर को इस साइड को लेके जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो यहाँ तो 5 एज इट इज़ था, प्लस के 3 इधर आगे हो गए -3, ओके। -3 इज नॉट चेंजिंग इज पोजिशन, so -3 as it is, but this -5 will become +5, okay. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 plus 5 is 8x here. And now 8 are in multiplication with x, so when they change their side it become division. So 2 upon 8, so it become 1 upon 4. Therefore x value is 1 upon 4. I hope you understood these two examples. Now we solve example 4. It is x upon 5 plus x upon 3 is equal to 10. So now we have to solve this, and how we are going to solve this? By cross multiplication, okay. Or we just have to solve it by, look how we are going to solve, or we just add these two fractions, okay. Let's see. First write the equation as it is equal to 10, okay. So we make their denominator equal by cross multiplication. Multiply 3 and this x and 5 and this x, so we get 3 into x 3x plus, so plus 5 into x 5x and upon 3 into 5 is equal to 10. 3x plus 5x, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and this x upon 15 is equal to 10, okay. So 15 are in denominator, so they go here and get in multiplication. So 15 into 10, so 8x is equal to 15 tens are 150 and 8 are in multiplication with x. So जब ये अपनी जगह छोड़ेंगे, यहाँ से इधर जाएंगे, तब क्या होगा? x इज इक्वल टू 150, यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में थे, यहाँ जाके डिनोमिनेटर, ओके. सो वी गेट, we can divide by 4, not 4, by 2. So we get 75 upon 4, okay. I hope you understood this, okay. So last problem is 7th number. 0.3 plus 0.7y is equal to 0.85y, okay. It's a quite easy one. Just look how we are going to solve this. So we have 0.3 plus 0.7y is equal to 0.85y, okay. We use transposition, okay. If you want to solve this way, you can solve, or you can multiply entire equation by 100, okay. That also you can do. So let's see how we going to solve. 0.3 is equal to 0.85y, and when we transpose this we get minus 0.7y, Okay, so you know how we subtract 0.85 minus 0.77, or we can write 70. Okay, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 7 is 1, decimal के नीचे decimal and 0 as it is. So we get 0.3 is equal to 0.15 and y as it is. Okay, so y is equal to 0.15 are in multiplication. तो जब ये पोजीशन चेंज करेंगे कहाँ जाएंगे, डिवाइड में. देखो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको ये डिवाइड में चले गए, ऊपर भी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और नीचे भी. तो हमें क्या मिला, यहाँ पे डेसिमल अगर हटा दिया 13 और यहाँ क्या मिलेगा 50. ठीक है, सो y इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30. So this is how we are going to solve these problems. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Thank you.